like shook. I hope you guys are able to see what I see. You guys are ready for truth? Hey guys, hope you all well. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. This video, I'm gonna be checking out a brand new brand to me. It's called Ash Cosmetics. Got a lot of goodies in this box. I did Instagram post showing what is inside already, but saying that I haven't tried anything. No swatches, nothing at all. So we're gonna do it all together. So I think without any further ado, let's try. What I love about the Ash Cosmetics, that is cruelty free, it's vegan, and as they say on the packaging, science led, which sounds rather interesting, don't you think? I'm gonna start from, I don't even know what to start from. Let's start from a base, from the, face, and then we can move on to the eyeshadows and glitters and so on, because I have a lot of it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna check the foundation stick. So they say it's a seamless HD foundation. HD, that means it's gonna look good on the camera and good on the pictures. I got a shade Fair. I'm not sure if it's gonna suit me or not. We're gonna see soon. So what they say, Ash Cosmetics, a science-led beauty brand founded by the scientists with many years of experience and knowledge in skincare. Unlike everybody else, our ingredients are thoroughly researched and developed. We make no compromises when it comes to quality, 100% cruelty-free and predominantly vegan. That sounds amazing, right? This is how it looks. Love, love, love the packaging. I'm a sucker for the nice black simple packaging. Classy looking one. Looks interesting, right? Okay, I'm not sure if the color will be good. Well, let's just see. Okay, I think this might be slightly bit too light for me. Let's just check. I'm gonna play this. Oh, maybe with contour and all we could work with that. Hope you are able to see this. I mean, we're gonna see. We're gonna try it all. We're gonna create a full face of makeup using this. Just wipe it off with tissue. Another thing that I have in here to set this foundation is the Ash Cosmetics Loose Powder Pixel Perfect Setting Powder. So once again, supposed to look amazing in photos. It's translucent. Love the packaging. Once again, nice and black. Love that we have a little mirror, little powder puff if needed. Okay. This looks promising. So I have this lip liner. You probably know my love for nude lip is. I wear it on the daily, plus I also very love matte lipsticks. It's just my go-to. I know the gloss is more popular now, but I'm still a matte girl. I have this Ash Cosmetics lip liner contour pencil in mocha. I love it they call it contour pencil because basically you can contour lips, right? Just you like usual pencil, they can trim. I actually tried this already for my Instagram stories. I showed the swatches of this. I'm just gonna do it again. I think this looks amazing. Gonna be perfect for lip contour. We're gonna be definitely doing this soon. Okay, let's move on to the lipsticks that I have. So first lippy that I have in here is called the Ash Cosmetics Lip Stain Liquid Matte Lipstick in Naked. I think it's gonna be very nice nude color. Love the shade. It's like a perfect nude. Maybe it's slightly bit too light for me. Okay, so I have one more lip in here. Once again, lip stain. So it means it's a long way, right? Liquid matte lipstick. This one is in the color Perfect Nude. I absolutely love the shade. Look at this. Beautiful color, right? We can actually mix both. We can make lips look more plumpy with lightening in the middle. I'm gonna do that actually. Let's move on because we have a lot of goodies here. High definition gel liner in Onyx. And it looks like this. So like a proper gel liner. Then I have 5 different eyeshadow base cream eyeshadow glamour pots. I just love the name of this. Ooh, very creamy. Loving this. Okay, another shade I have in here is called Black Diamond. Ooh, that's intense, right? Another shade we have is Purple Velvet. Okay, another shade is Blue Zircon. Oh, I love this color. And one more shade left in here is called the Vintage Rose. Okay, love this shade. Another thing in here I have is the Water Resistant Glitter Base Eye Primer. So it's completely see-through. Actually comes packed as the lippy would be, like exact the same packaging, the same band and all. I'm just doing a line in here because we're gonna be checking some glitters. I have, in being honest with you, the 3 glitter shades in here, which we're gonna check right now. So I have a shade called Jewel Pink. It's called 3D Jewel Pink, award-winning. It's award-winning special effects glitter. Here we go. Just wanna have glitter everywhere. Oh my god. Because I opened this one already for the Instagram post, so the glitter is everywhere. So this glitter primer is here. So another shade I have is 3D Dazzle Dust. Okay, it looks amazing. It's like proper silverish glitter with a halo effect a bit. The last one I have is called Sahara. So I got all 3 glitter shades: Sahara, Dazzle Dust, and Jewel Pink. We're definitely gonna use some today. So I'm gonna start from a cream eyeshadow base in a light smoke topaz. And what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna go kind of like a transition shade with this. I'm gonna go higher than my crease is. Let's see if it's gonna work with a brush or I need to use my fingers. Oh my god, you guys, this blends so easy. I love this. I don't think I ever tried the cream eyeshadow that would blend so easy with the brush, because most of the cream eyeshadows, they are the best to be used with a fingertip and just, you know, tap it on. This, wow, okay, mega impressed, can you tell? And it's super easily buildable. Like, add a bit more and it just builds up the coverage. Wow. I think I'm gonna go with this darker shade called Black Diamond for the outer corner. I'm gonna take a bit less of this time. Love so far. I feel like I want to add a bit more color in here, because why not? Before we're gonna go with glitter, I still have no idea which glitter color I should go for. So for that reason, I'm gonna go with a color called Purple Velvet. So this time I'm gonna use my finger. We'll see how intense it's gonna be. I'm just gonna tap on. Ooh. Okay, so if using the finger, it's super intense. Okay, so if you want the shade to be more intense straight away, use a finger. And then kind of buff in the shade. Let's go with a glitter because, like, why not? So I think I'm gonna be going with, as we call it, award-winning special effects glitter. I'm gonna go with a color called 3D Jewel Pink. First, I'm gonna prime my eyelids, the part where I'm gonna put a glitter on, with water-resistant glitter-based eye primer. I'm gonna go in eye corner, kind of like a cut crease, just like that. Okay, glitter primer is really amazing because I have like no fallout of the glitter at all. So the glitter primer works amazingly. Okay, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the eyeliner. So I'm gonna use this high definition gel eyeliner. Ooh, love how creamy it is. Okay guys, so mascara is on. I still haven't done the lower lash line or anything. I'm gonna be honest, this cream eyeshadow pods, if you like me who has oily skin and hooded eyes, set it up. I use a setting powder and like clean brush and just press it on the top. Like, it still doesn't look matte, it looks kind of glossy in a way. I hope you guys are able to see, but it's set in a place because I noticed that it kind of tends to go into the crease, and this is a problem I usually have with any cream eyeshadow that doesn't dry fast, because this doesn't seem to be drying at all. Like, it's still very creamy, surprisingly. So I use a setting powder and a clean eyeshadow brush just to pat it in to keep it in place. Okay, let's try this Sashka Beauty Foundation Seamless HD Foundation Stick in Fair. I think it might be slightly bit too light for me, but I'm gonna try and contour so we can, you know, match it up. Let's just see. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Like, I don't even know how much is too much or not enough. Kind of seem to blend in nicely with my skin tone, so We'll see. Ooh, okay. Wow. It just kind of blends in so nicely, you guys. Oh, wow. Just look at that. I hope you're able to see what I see in the mirror. Because, wow. Wow. Okay. Ash Cosmetics. This is amazing. I'm like shook. It just, I hope you guys are able to see what I see. It just kind of blends into the skin so seamlessly. My shade is actually good. Like, I was scared for nothing, you know? Okay, let's do forehead. Wow. Wow. I'm not a fan of stick foundations, and I just wasn't expecting that, can you tell? I am genuinely impressed and surprised. It's amazing. Like, literally amazing. Wow. My skin looks amazing. It kind of has this a bit dewy finish, I think. It doesn't look matte. Does it say it's matte? No, it doesn't say matte anywhere, actually. It just says Seamless HD Foundation. It looks seamless. They don't lie about that. Like, it literally looks seamless. But it has this bit dewy finish. Can you see, guys, like how my skin reflects the light? So it's not matte. If you're a matte person, like I am, because I have oily skin, so this might not be for you, but I mean, we're just gonna see how it's gonna look with this setting powder on and so on. So far, surprisingly, I really like it, because I'm always going for matte foundation, full coverage matte foundation. This is my go-to, but this doesn't look matte at all. Like, this gives this kind of glass skin effect. Can you see how it reflects? Like literally it looks like a glass skin effect. Wow, I'm generally impressed. Okay, because I don't have Ash Cosmetics concealer or contour or anything, so I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define in C2 and C12 for highlight and for contour. And once I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna come back to use to do this setting. Alright, foundation is on, a little bit of a contour is on. I didn't go like overboard with a lot of it, because I'm gonna be using the powder contour, not from Ash Cosmetics, once again, because I simply don't have it. Okay, let's use this loose powder in translucent to set it. As they say, the loose powder pixel perfect setting powder. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna do powder contour, and then I'm gonna come back to it. Alright guys, contour is done. Let's finish the lower lash line and then the lips. So for lower lash line, I think I'm just gonna go and take this, I'm just trying to find the shade, cream eyeshadow base in Vintage Rose, and just go all over. It's very light. Maybe we should darken up a bit. I think, why not? Let's take a bit of this purple shade that we used before for the lids. Just see out the corner. Oh, that's better. That is much better. Then I'm taking another side that is clean and just gonna buff the shade. Next I'm doing, I'm coming back to this black eyeliner, the shade Onyx, and gonna do the inner eye corner liner. Easy as that. Okay, let's do the lippy and we are done. So I'm gonna use first this lip liner, lip contour pencil in Mocha. I love that we call it lip contour. So for the lip color, I'm gonna go, because I have two shades as you see. So I'm gonna go and use both actually. So I'm gonna start with the Perfect Nude shade, and the lippy is called Lip Stain Liquid Matte Lipstick. Super pigmented as you see, because it covers this darker shade nicely. Loving this. Loving the shade, I love the way it feels on the lips. I'm just gonna go and add a little bit of this shade called Naked just in the middle of the lips, so my lips gonna look plumpier than it is. Optical illusion. Because normally I think this is slightly bit too light shade for my liking. We all like different shades, right? So this is a bit too light for me. Okay, just gonna dab on a little bit in the middle. Just like that. I'm gonna pat it with my finger. And our look is complete. What do you guys think? Alright guys, my verdict about the Ash Cosmetics Beauty is a Science makeup brand. As I mentioned, I love it. It's cruelty free, it's vegan, love it is science led. As they say, all the ingredients and everything was combined to do the best for your skin. Love, love, love that part of that. The products that I tried so far, this foundation stick, oh my freaking goodness. Like, I wasn't expecting that it's gonna melt into the skin, because literally this is how it felt. It melted into the skin. It looks so natural as well. Like, you couldn't tell I'm wearing the foundation because it blends so nicely. And the shade Fair, I thought it's gonna be too light, but hey ho, it's matching me properly, so all good. The setting powder, love, love, love it. Feels amazing on our skin. It's not drying. It doesn't look cakey or anything like this. Oh, the foundation, by the way, I forgot to mention. It's very dewy, at least very dewy for me, because I'm always going for matte foundations and everything that is matte. So to me, it feels very dewy. I think you guys can see the light reflecting like on my skin. Gives this glass effect. So if you are looking for glass effect foundation, go for it. You're gonna love it. HD gel eyeliner. Absolutely love it. Super creamy, extremely easy to use. If you're struggling with eyeliner, I actually would highly recommend to get this, because I was surprised how easy it is to use. The cream eyeshadows, or as we call eyeshadow base cream eyeshadows Glamour Pot. What I love about it, that it blends very easy. It's very, very buildable. You can go a little, or you can go like super intense, a whole shebang color. You can blend with a finger. Like, blending with finger, it will give you more intense shade rather than, you know, using the brush. The brush kind of just blends it all more like seamlessly rather than the finger proper putting the pigment on. Very pigmented as well. Maybe not the best idea for oily skin and hooded eyes like I have, because as I mentioned, I needed to add a bit of the translucent setting powder on top to stop it from creasing, because my eyes are so hooded and the crease is just in there, so all the cream eyeshadow tends to kind of hide under. So if you have hooded eyes, oily skin like I do, make sure you're gonna set the cream eyeshadow with the setting powder. Now the glitter pots, or as we call it, the award-winning special effects glitter. Love the name. Love it. Like, I can't say anything bad about it. Absolutely love it. I didn't have any fallouts because I used this water resistant glitter base eye primer. Love it. It says that it's water resistant, so if you have oily skin, hooded eyes like I do, this your go-to glitter primer then. The lip liner, love, love, love it. The lip base, so we call it lip stain, liquid matte lip stain. As I said, I have two shades. I have Naked and Perfect Nude. Let's just see if they transit proof. You guys are ready for truth? It's on my hands, but my lips looks perfect. So I can't complain much about it. It's a great brand and it's vegan, cruelty free. All packaging is recyclable. There's no plastic actually involved, like single-use plastic, which I love. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried anything from Ash Cosmetics or is new to you as it's new to me, because this is my very first time trying anything from this brand. If you have some favorites from Ash Cosmetics, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. If so, don't forget to press the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more. I feel like I'm saying this always, but this is so important, you guys. And yeah, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I'll make sure to film it. Should it be another review, particular review maybe you have in mind, or tutorial, or a little vlog maybe? Leave a comment down below, let me know, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao for now.